Hello students. So let's now continue the story of the birth of Rama. So let's start. Dashrath held out his hand to accept the bowl of kheer offered by the god of fire Agni Dev. Raja Dashrath held out his hand to accept the bowl of kheer. God of fire Agni Dev. As soon as he took a bowl of Agni Dev vanished into the flames. As soon as he took, Raja Dashrath took the bowl and Agni Dev was vanished into flame. King Dashrath touched the bowl with his forehead. Raja Dashrath, the bowl was touched his forehead as sign the humble acceptance of the divine blessings. Now, Sheikh Rishabh motioned Dashrath to go his palace and gave the key to the three queens as directed by the Agni Dev. Raja Dashrath to go to the palace and give the key of the three queens as directed by the Agni Dev, जो Agni Dev ने दी थी. King Dashrath first went to Queen Kaushalya chamber and gave her half bowl of kheer. Raja Dashrath was go to first Queen Kaushalya, gave the half bowl of kheer. He gave one half and what remained to his the second queen Sumitra, and third queen Kekai got the half of what was left in the bowl. Dashrath gave the remainder of the kheer in the bowl to Sumitra with Kaushalya and Kekai permission. As time passed, the time was passes. Raja Dashrath's happiness knew no bound when he heard the good news. Raja Dashrath was very happy to do you know कि क्या होगा. He heard a good news. अब उनको क्या एक अच्छी और नई खबर सुनने को मिलने वाली थी. That all the three queens has conceived by the blessings of sun god. The three queens blessing of the sun god. His world was completed now. Raja Dashrath's world was completed now. His face had a glow of happiness as he thanked all the gods in heaven, especially sun god. Raja Dashrath's face was very glow. He was very happy, and we thank to God, especially of sun god, who sent kheer prasadam to him through an Agni Dev. He felt blessed after long time. अग्नि देव ने क्या किया था, बहुत समय के बाद उन्होंने क्या किया, खीर देव पे प्रसन्न होकर उन्हें दिया था. टाइम रोल्ड ऑन हैप्पीली. अब क्या हो गया था, अब टाइम हैप्पी होने का आ गया था. टिल मोमेंट अराइव्ड. अब मोमेंट हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट स्टार्ट हो गया था. जब क्या हो रहा था, व्हेन द लॉर्ड विष्णु टू टेक बर्थ इन ह्यूमन फॉर्म in the earth. The sun was the middle of the sky. The sun was the middle of the sky as was noon time. It was neither cold nor hot. The cool soft breeze was blowing. The good were waiting excited in the heaven. The saints were enchanted on the earth. The most precious moment for which the universe was watching has arrived. इस मोमेंट को देखने के लिए सारे लोग क्या कर रहे थे, वॉच कर रहे थे, वेट कर रहे थे कि किनको देखने के लिए, भगवान विष्णु के बर्थ टाइम का मोमेंट को सभी लोग क्या कर रहे थे, इंजॉय कर रहे थे. द इंटायर वर्ल्ड डांस एंड श्री डिलाइट्स ऑफ लॉर्ड रामा. उन सभी बहुत ही जितने भी वर्ल्ड्स में सभी फेमस जितने भी डांस थे वो सब वहाँ पर क्या कर रहे थे, डिफरेंट टाइप्स के डांसेस कर रहे थे, लॉर्ड कृष्णा का वेलकम कर रहे थे. अल्टीमेट द सॉय ऑफ जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस वॉज बॉर्न क्वीन कौशल्या. द क्वीन गेव बर्थ 4 sons. The queen gave birth to 4 sons. Lord Ram was born to Kaushalya. Queen Kekai gave birth to Bharat, and Queen Sumitra, who ate the kheer twice, gave to twin sons Lakshman and Shatrughan. बिकॉज ये हुआ क्या था कि कौशल्या ने भी अपने से दे दिया था उनको एक बाइट, और कैकई ने भी अपनी एक बाइट दे दी थी, तो जिसके कारण क्या हुआ था, सुमित्रा के पास 2 sons हो गए. एक था लक्ष्मण और एक कौन थे, शत्रुघ्न. किंग दशरथ सेलिब्रेटेड दिस ओकेजन विथ मच फन एंड फेयर. राजा दशरथ वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड द फेस्टिवल इज़ द ओकेज़न. बिल्कुल इस तरीके से सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे इस ओकेज़न को, जस्ट लाइक अ फेस्टिवल. गला ceremony was held in the palace. Tops of the singers and dancers performed their best. The entire city Ayodhya was festival look. There was no end to the joy among the king and his subjects. The king and 3 queens enjoyed the fulfilled childhood of their innocent and divine sons. So, the chapter was finished, the story was finished. I hope so. Do you understand the story? Any problems, any doubts, so you can ask me. So this time is a classwork. So write the hard words in your fair copy, and homework is learn hard words. Okay? Thank you, class.